Hi kindergarten, welcome to this maths position video. So today you'll need to get yourself a pen and a piece of paper. Doesn't matter whether it's coloured paper or scrap paper, as long as you've got a plain side that you can use to do some drawing on. So go and get that now. Alright, so now that you've got it, there's a few things that you'll have to remember, okay? So the first thing will be your left and right. Right hand, most of you will be right hand, you'll be using your right hand when you're writing, okay? This is your right hand. If I go look like you're looking at me, this is your right hand here. This is your left hand. So if I look the same way as you, this is your left hand. Something else you'll need to know is next to and beside. So Mickey here is next to me, or you might say that he's beside me. Okay, and if I put my hat on top of my head, that's on top. The other things that you'll need to know are top and bottom. Okay, so don't forget, you need to know left and right, next to, top and bottom, on top, underneath, of course, will be under. So I would be under the chair if I was under the chair. Okay, let's start. I'm going to get my paper now. I'm using a whiteboard. So hold your paper this way, okay? So it's long across this way, landscape. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do is draw a circle in the top right-hand corner. So draw your circle. And you can put some little lines on it to make it look like a sun if you want. You can even do a smiley face if you want. Okay, now in the bottom left-hand corner, I want you to draw a square. And on top of the square, I want you to draw a triangle. So we'll make it look like a house. Okay, now in the middle of your square, draw a rectangle. So it looks like a door to your house. You can put a door handle on there if you want. And on the left-hand side of your door, draw another square to be a window. All right, so we've done our house now. Okay, now on the right-hand bottom corner of your page, I want you to draw a tree. It doesn't matter how good your tree is, just draw a quick tree, make it about as big as your house. Now in the very middle of your page, so this is your page, so you need the very middle of your page, draw another circle, and that's going to be a balloon. So draw a squiggly line underneath for the string. Now underneath your balloon, draw a person trying to catch that balloon. I'm just drawing a stick figure, okay? It doesn't have to be beautiful. I'm going to put a smiley face on my stick figure. Okay, now in the top left-hand corner of your page, draw a bird. So just draw the wings and maybe a head with a beak and some eyes. Okay. All right, now hopefully you've done all of that. Let's see if yours matches mine. So if you were listening closely, you would get them in exactly the same spot, and then I'll know that you understand your left and right and top and bottom, middle and next to. Let's have a look. That's what mine looks like. Okay, I've got the sun up in the top right. I've got a square in the bottom left with a triangle on top of the square, a rectangle in the middle of the triangle for a door, and a square on the left-hand side of the door. Over here I put my tree, which looks a bit like broccoli. In the middle of the page I put my balloon with the squiggly line, and underneath the balloon is my person trying to catch the balloon. Then on the top left-hand corner I've drawn my bird. Okay, let's hope that you've done exactly the same. Don't fix it up. Whatever you've done, take a photo, put it into Google Classroom so that your teacher can have a look, okay? Thank you. Bye.